Welcome and welcome back to my garden, my gardening family. A special welcome to you, my new family. Thank you so much for joining and coming on board. I sincerely appreciate you all. I am so excited to start a new journey with you, Daily Gardening with Stacey. I crave your support. It will not be successful without you. I look forward to share with you on a daily because really and truly, gardening is daily work. So if it's even 5 minutes that I spend in the garden, I will share with you on a daily, God's willing. Keep me prayed up, and I so look forward to this with you. Thank you all so much in advance. This mulberry needs to be straightened. It and the cherry is forming a arch right here, but it is too low and too close. I am going to have to sort out this. Look at this mulberry leaf. I mean, my hand is not big, but this is huge compared to my hands. So this sweet sap tree now, as you can see, it's still hanging down on the clothesline. There are so many fruits on there that I decided to let it stay until the fruits can be eaten. Look, there are so many of them on there. So I'm just going to let it stay until the fruits are ready, and then we can take that limb down or branch. The sugar cane, you can see the leaves, they were wrecked. I need to sort that out, and I'm going to loosen it up a bit as well. They're not looking bad at all. This cucumber that was on here didn't make it. There's one around here. Let's see. This one wasn't pollinated properly, so I'm just getting it. Oh, one of my June plum over here fell off. Where it is? I saw it yesterday now, and I forgot to take it up. See, it's ripened. The other one right there. Several right there. Several coming up here. More coming up here. Several right here as well. Several over there. God is good. My sweet peppers or bell peppers weren't blown away by the wind at all. They were quite fine. Look at this beauty. Look at that. So pretty. Just take off these leaves that no longer serves this tree. Look at these babies. So even if we did not confirm that this is a male tree, it is official now. That's the confirmation right there. I really hope that this one is a female papaya. And this one as well. My corns, they're not looking so good at all, you know. I am going to sow some seeds. I am wondering, I've never done it. I'm wondering if I can sow succession seeds inside the same container with these growing and producing. You know, I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it and see how it turns out. My gooseberry it is tucked away. The seriously, I need to clean up this a little. Wow. Ooh. The gooseberry poke me just now. Poke me, poke me, poke me. Alright, so I'm going to have to clean up this a bit with the seriously. I need to get it running in place where I want it to run. Look at that. Another sunflower coming out right there. And speaking of that, there's another one coming out right here. But anyways, let me get back to the gooseberry. See the fruit that was falling off? It is still hanging on. I don't even know if it will continue to grow. But see, I have a lovely one here coming up. I am so excited. I can't wait to taste gooseberry for the very first time. Oh my word. I glance over here. Guys, look at my yam. Look at my yam. I mean, the other day when I showed you, there were barely any leaves. Look at that beauty. And it is going up where the grapevine is. If you remember when I was cleaning up the grapevine, it was not like that. And I cleaned up a few days ago. But I posted that video yesterday. I was away in the country for a burial. And so I didn't have electricity to post my video. Look at that. I'm going to have to make something to have it vine on. Wow, so amazing. I came back yesterday, you know, and I didn't even look to see. I mean, wow. It's such a beauty. All right, my gardening family, I will catch you in another one. See you tomorrow. And I am so excited about this journey. Daily Gardening with Stacey. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until next time, walk good. God bless you.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.